Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new other video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat message not showing on your Snapchat application. You have opened your Snapchat app and go on your chat conservation on Snapchat, and your Snapchat message is not showing on your Snapchat application. You have facing this problem, so you have watched this video and solve this problem. Let's get started this video. Firstly, minimize your Snapchat app and go on your mobile settings. After then, go on your mobile settings and scroll down, enter into the apps or app management. So after enter into the apps or app management, so just wait and scroll down and searches Snapchat. Here you see Snapchat, so just enter into the Snapchat app. Here you see first option storage usage, so just enter into the storage usage and clear cache and clear data and go back. After then clear cache and clear data, go back. Here you see second option data usage detail, so just enter into the data usage detail and enable the background data and click on network permission and allow Wi-Fi and mobile data and go back again back. And here you see permission option, so just enter into the permission and allow the all Snapchat permission, camera, contacts, location, microphone, phone and storage and go back and check out your internet connection. Turn on your flight mode for 20 seconds and turn on, again turn off. So back, secondly options, go on your app store and play store app. After enter into the app store and play store app, so go on your search bar and type in Snapchat and check it your Snapchat update or not update. If your Snapchat is not updated, firstly update your Snapchat app and your problem has been 100% solved. If my video was helpful, so just like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my video.